For teens with developmental disabilities, summer is not always easy. Without the routine of school, many will spend the summer inactive and disconnected from others.
Now there are day camps in place to help with this, and with more on how it's being done is Keshet President and CEO Jennifer Phillips. Thanks for coming in.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
I imagine this has got to be a lifesaver for a lot of these kids and their families because they're trying to figure out how not to lose what they've taken all year to gain. Tell us about some of these programs that you guys have for them.
Yeah, so our camp programs are fully inclusive camp programs. So our campers get to go to camp with their peers and grow up with their peers at day and overnight camp. And then, when they are done being campers, their peers are going to be counselors or they're going to be staff at camp. And so it gave us a great opportunity to think about, just what is creating a community of belonging and doing what your peers do. And the next thing is working at camp. And so we really wanted to develop programs to have our individuals with disabilities work at camp alongside their peers.
So what are some of the things that kids are doing at camp?
So some of our staff members are working in the office, they're working in the art center, some of them are counselors. At overnight camp, they're working in our health centers, they're working actually in the art center, as well as even in the dining hall and in the kitchen. So there's a variety of different jobs you can have at overnight camp.
So most of these kids are the ones that have aged out of summer camp programs.
Correct.
But they still need that added support, or at least a little structure, right?
Yeah, and you said it earlier, we don't want them to regress over the summer, right? They're in school, some of them are going into transition programs and they're learning vocational skills. And so having the opportunity to come to camp and develop even more vocational skills and training and be able to work and have these like pre-voc skills, but have a job at camp alongside their peers in this community is certainly incredible. And we notice that their confidence after they leave camp, the skills that they've built, it really brings this to a whole new level and they're able to get jobs much easier.
Well, I imagine too, the comfort of knowing the people in the place where they're working at and learning these skills help them really cement the skills going on to a new job.
Yeah. And listen, camp is a place where everyone belongs, right? And they are there with people they know, that they've grown up with. And the impact is also great, not just for individuals with disabilities, but for the entire camp community, right? Everyone who walks in really realizes what a community of belonging is at camp, and that they're able to be alongside people that they grew up with who are now working. And then, when they're done working in the evening, they're having social time with the other staff at camp. So it's really, really incredible.
That's cool.
So you told us when you first came up, we're halfway through. Someone who's just now hearing about this, are they able to join in?
Yeah, absolutely. We have different opportunities at some of our camps. We're very lucky to have community partners. We couldn't do this without that. And so JCC Chicago is one of our partners. So Apache Day Camps are our day camps that we work with, and then Camp Shy is our overnight camp. And so when we talk about the opportunity to also be in this community of belonging and an inclusive community, it's really what we're doing.
And the camps are new this year, but going to continue moving forward.
So we have been working with our camps for over 30 years, and they have been campers, but we had the opportunity to start this vocational work employment program this summer. So this is the first summer we're doing it where our individuals that need support and able to do their jobs are able to get paid for what they're doing, right? They shouldn't just be working, they should get paid just like everyone else, but we're able to support them with job coaches, and we're lucky to be able to do that. And we know it's been a huge success even halfway through the summer, that next summer we'll be able to grow the program. And so hopefully people out there will want to be able to take advantage of this incredible program.
Yeah, that's fantastic. And if you want more information, check out the website, and you see the social media handles right there on your screen. Thank you so much for joining us.
Of course. Thank you for having me.